Within the motor vehicle department we study paint spraying, panel beating and mechanical. Panel beating we do welding, fabrication, body filler, bolted panels, and within spray painting we do all foundation coats, top coats, and we also do some paint project work as well.
There's a couple of different levels, but we go right from the basics, things like wheels and tyres, brakes, suspension, to the more complicated end, which would probably be electrics, electrical sensors, how they work, into transmissions, gearboxes, which is a bit more complicated.
Within our area we basically replicate industry, everything from MIG welders, resistance spot welders, electronic measuring system. We have the latest paint schemes so we can mix any colour, paint matching cameras, and our booth replicates industry as well.
We've got a couple of different workshops. This is the main workshop, which has things like tyre machines, a few different kinds of ramps, so 2-post ramp, 4-post ramp, an MOT ramp.
There are opportunities for work placement or work experience within our area. Local employers are constantly asking us if we have any enthusiastic candidates. We have had a lot of success from students going out for 2 to 3 week work placement. They end up being full-time apprentices.
I've wanted to do this course for a number of years, but they don't do it in Fife. So I managed to find it in Perth and I've been here and loved it ever since.
I've enjoyed doing the welding and the painting. They're probably my two favourite things. I've also enjoyed doing the filling work. The lectures have been really good. Any questions I have, they come over and help, and they're good at finding stuff for you outside college as well.
Really just learning about how funny cars are. They're not as magic as you seem to think when you come down to learning about how simple everything really is.
I'm so glad that I've done it, and it'll push me to do better in the future.